Imagine a world where messages float invisibly all around us, carrying secret codes between living beings. Welcome to the realm of chemical communication, a hidden network where airborne molecules act as messengers. In forests, a single tree attacked by insects can release volatile compounds into the air. These molecules drift to neighboring trees, warning them to activate their own defenses before the invaders arrive. Insects, too, rely on these signals. A female moth emits a specific molecule, or pheromone, that can lure males from miles away, guiding them through the darkness. Even humans are subtly influenced by airborne chemicals, which can alter moods, trigger memories, or evoke deep emotional responses. Bacteria communicate using these molecules to coordinate attacks or defend themselves, a process called quorum sensing that allows them to act as a unified force. This invisible language shapes ecosystems, guiding behaviors, alliances, and survival strategies across countless species. Next time you take a breath outdoors, remember, you're in the midst of a silent conversation billions of years in the making, one that keeps the living world connected, alert, and thriving.